I suggest building your tool roll or kit with the exact same tools you use to service your motorcycle, and then the odds and ends that come with breaking down. First thing I would carry, if you don't already have it, is the Posse cable repair kit. I wish someone told me to have this. Would have saved me a lot of time. When my clutch cable snapped, you can just run a new one and then tighten down the ferrule and you're good to go. And then I'd also carry a throttle repair kit by Mid-USA. Definitely save you or someone else on your trip. Just something good to have in your roll. If you don't already have a battery tender, you'll likely want one so you can continuously charge your bike every time you pull it into the garage without taking your seat off. Just make sure you secure your battery hardware with Loctite and torque them to spec, as lots of issues can stem from just not properly torquing your hardware. Once you have your SAE plug, I like this Ride Power one. It's got 2 USBs and a voltage, or there's the battery tender USB charger, or you rock with the cigarette plug so you can plug in your air inflator, whatever you got. I suggest having it for tire inflator and whatever cigarette port accessories you might want. And then just pair that with your favorite tire plug combo, because even if you plug it, you're still not going to have any air. A jump starter or any portable battery is definitely handy to have in case you forget your keys in your bike, leave your headlight on, or your bike just falls flat on its face. All of these are good considerations and even better gifts for any motorcycle rider. They'll surely thank you later. If you don't want to build one with the tools you use to service your motorcycle, there are plenty of standard and metric multi-tools and lots of toolkits. Just have to pick the one that suits your needs best.
For FL touring models, you really can't beat V-twin manufacturing inclusivity. Once you buy these wear tools, you'll likely be using them so much you'll forget to put them in the bike.
A really budget-friendly option a coworker suggested was taking both these Stockton tool rolls, and then you get the metric, the standard, and then you combine it into one roll, and then you get pretty much anything you need, and not many tool rolls come with that much for 80 bucks.
What I would do personally is a built-well tool roll with the things that I hope I don't need. Zip ties, flush cuts, screwdriver, bit driver, fuses, any starter pump or fuel pump relay if your bike likes to eat them up, electrical tape, Allen set, any multi-tool, and the parts you use to service your motorcycle.
Pit Posse's offering is pretty good for Harleys. Proxxon and CRUZTOOLS make some pretty good stuff if your pockets are deeper than the Pacific.
And if you can find a Windzone kit, those are really inclusive. Got a final belt drive, you're definitely gonna want to have a gauge or the 10-pound tension tool. You'll just push up on the plunger, measuring it at the tightest spot. Always reference your service manual for the deflection spec. If you're removing your rear wheel, this tool is a must. And if you want to make sure the alignment of your belt drive is perfect, you can do it with this tool.
For chains, you'll want a chain breaker, master link install tool, and then also a chain puller just to hold it together.
Don't already have a puller, it comes in handy when you're pressing the master link. If you're trying to save some space in your tool roll, you can get the PBR tool, or they have a heavy duty model now, so you can do your breaker and rivet tool all in one. Don't forget 2 new master links, one for your toolkit, the other for the installation. Just check your chain's condition and set the slack correct and align it correctly.
If you're ever on a road trip, these are perfect to have in your saddlebag or backpack, just so you don't have to worry about running out of fuel or in some desolate place.
If you've had to come save your buddy on the side of the road, be sure to build them a toolkit or send this video and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.